Hello everyone, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia Education Group. To help you all in these difficult times, we are offering 3 of our best courses as combo deals. Our first offering is a combo package for PTE and NAATI unlimited classes till the end of this year, till 31st December 2020. With this course, you can attend an unlimited number of classes till the end of this year, and you will also get access to the real text questions and dialogues. The price, only $599. For NAATI, we are offering 4 languages: Hindi, Punjabi, Spanish and Sinhalese. Our second offering is an unlimited course for PTE and IELTS. That's right, you heard it right, for PTE and IELTS. And the fee is again $599 for unlimited classes till the end of this year. This course is mainly suitable for those people who are aiming to target both the Australian and the Canadian visa or the PR for both of these countries. The third offering is an unlimited IELTS and NAATI combo package, again till the end of this year. And the fees, again, only $599. That's right. This course is suitable for those people who are more comfortable with IELTS and also need to get 5 extra points for their visa, so they can take NAATI as well. Again, the same languages: Hindi, Punjabi, Spanish and Sinhalese. Our IELTS tutor has a score of 8.5 overall bands. You heard it right. And all our NAATI trainers are extremely knowledgeable and experienced. You can avail a free trial class as well for NAATI and IELTS. For more information, please call us on 0466 46603 or visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com. All our classes are live classes. Remember that they are not recorded. Thank you very much. Stay safe. I'm Malcolm.